In this video we are going to look at the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaner available on the market every day. We made this list based on our own opinion, research and custom reviews. We have considered the quality, features and values. We focused on lower to mid-price options from brands you can purchase directly online, though we did include a couple of recommendations for more expensive robot vacuum cleaner that our team of vacuum cleaner testers loved. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. The best robot vacuum cleaners do the dirty work for you. That means you can spend your time doing more important, more interesting or more fun things. Some of the very best robot vacuum cleaners can empty themselves too, so they're maintenance-free for months. The latest robot vacuum cleaners are smarter, more powerful and more flexible than ever before. Their navigation systems mean they don't miss a single inch, and some can even detect when they're moving between hard floors, carpets and rugs. They make less noise, they're more efficient, and they can avoid obstacles ranging from furniture to kids' toys or curious pets. So here are top 5 best robot vacuum cleaner.
At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.